Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a Next.js Markdown resume PDF editor inside browser with live preview in Next.js. So we are running this application on localhost. So this is actually the interface of the application. So if you click the button, so you will be redirected to the Markdown editor where you will be able to edit your Markdown. So we are running this application on localhost. So you can just see it is compiling the actual editor. So just need to wait. So it's built inside Next.js. It's a Markdown based resume PDF editor. If you are interested in purchasing the source code, the link is given in the description. So this is actually the full directory structure. Each component is coded inside TypeScript, so you have full control on how to edit and customize the look and feel of this project. You can even add more features on top of this project as well. So if I show you the package.json file, we are actually using the latest version of Next and React. So it's actually a full stack application where can actually make the Markdown resume. So now it is successfully compiled here. So once you click the button, you will be redirected to this slash edit. So right here on the left hand side, you will actually write your markdown, and on the right hand side, the resume will be ready. So you can see that. So you can make any sort of changes here. You can write any sort of markdown. So, so you just need to paste. So this is a ready-made markdown is written to you. So here you can make any sort of changes, and then you have the option to actually print or save it as PDF. So if I save it as PDF, select the page number, layout, everything. After that, you can export this resume as PDF. So you can see that. So it's actually a PDF resume markdown editor. So on the left hand side, you can make any sort of changes, and this will be your markdown resume which will be ready. Here you can print it out, save it as PDF as well, and here you just select the location, and now it is successfully saved. So resumes look something like this. So it splits across multiple pages as well. So it's actually built using Markdown. It's a fully fledged Next.js application. If you're interested in this, definitely purchase it. The source code, the link is given in the description. And we are running this project locally. You can easily deploy this as well by simply running the command npm run build. So just run this command and it will compile everything into a single folder which you can easily deploy this. So it's a Next.js application. All the files are coded. All the files are coded inside TypeScript. So It will be easy for you to customize the look and feel of the application. So it's a Markdown resume based. So all the processing directly happens in the browser. There is no backend to it. So it's a single page application, Next.js application. So if you're, it's completely responsive as well. If you still face any issue after payment, you can contact me at my email address. I will definitely help you.